Hi, this is going to be my first attempt at doing an unboxing video for my channel. This is a Hoover that I bought online. This is it. You can see the brand. It's there. There is the registered trademark. I don't work for the company. I'm not affiliated to them in any way. I'm just an individual, just trying. This is, as I say, my first attempt. So you'll have to bear with me while I do this. And I'm now going to unbox this, and then we'll have a quick look at it, and then after we've used it, I'm going to I'll do a review on it. There is one reason for doing the review, partly because a lot of people have trouble finding the crevice tool, so I've got to find it, and then obviously I'll do the video for you. So I've already cut the seal there to save time, and we'll just open this up. So there you are, it's an H3100, and there's all the there's the booklet. Apparently this is very, very easy to use, and there you go. So what's in here? Oh yes, that's the power cable, because this is actually battery operated. One of the posts. One of the posts. Not sure what that is. As I say, I won't put it together. I'm just going to unbox it today. Securely packed, that's always a good sign. And there's cardboard as well, which is even better. So there's nothing in the box, so I'll get rid of the box now. Now, one of the reasons for me buying another Hoover is I've hurt my elbow, and it's been like it for weeks, and using my old Hoover was impossible almost. So I bought a new one, because it's very lightweight, it doesn't weigh anything. There's the actual the gubbins of it. I believe the crevice tool is here, but what I'll do is, once I've had a little play with it and we put it together, we'll do a further review of it, what I think of it. But it doesn't weigh anything, weighs absolutely nothing, which is very pleasing. So let's have a quick look. Oh yes, nice big head there. That's good. So we've got big areas to clean in our house. With the pole. It feels very, that it feels very, very, very sturdy, very strong. This pole's very light. But it looks very good. I'm very happy so far. And there's the gubbins again, and as you can see, there's their registered trademark, nothing to do with me. And the branded, the actual name is H3100. So yes, I think I'll have a little play with that later on, and then we'll make a further video, because yeah, we'll make a further video. We'll see how we get on with that. Well, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. And as I said, I'll make a further video later on. I know I've repeated myself a few times, but this is the first time. And then once I've got Trophy Hoover out, we will make a review of it. From what I hear, it's a very good Hoover anyway, but I'll make my own determination. If there's any little nibbles, I'll tell you, but they're a very good company, so I'm sure it'll be fine. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.